In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show file location on Google Drive in just a few easy steps. This guide is particularly useful if you're managing a lot of files and sometimes struggle to remember exactly where you've stored everything. By the end of this, you'll be able to quickly identify the exact folder location of your files in your Google Drive. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the home page of your Google Drive. You can do this simply by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar or clicking on the Drive icon if you have it bookmarked or saved in your Apps panel. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted by a list of all your files, organized to your last sorting preference. This view usually defaults to a list of your most recent files or the ones you favorited. Now you need to locate the file for which you want to determine the storage path. Once you've found the file, position your mouse cursor over it and right-click. When you right-click, a context menu appears. This menu is full of options that allow you to interact with your file in different ways, and it's a useful tool for many file management activities. From this context menu, look for an option labeled File Information. It may be located towards the bottom of the list, so don't worry if you don't spot it immediately. As you hover over this option, don't click just yet. Simply hovering your mouse might reveal further options or information, helping you ensure you're selecting the right choice before proceeding. Next, without moving your mouse too far away, click on the option labeled Show File Location. Once you give it a click, Google Drive will automatically redirect you to the file's location on your drive. This is the part where the magic happens. Instead of searching through various folders, the immediate navigation will help you find the exact space that file resides in. And there you have it. By following these few straightforward steps, you've seen how easy it is to show the location of any file within Google Drive. Knowing how to do this can save you a significant amount of time and hassle, especially if your drive is filled with countless documents. This method is not only quick but incredibly useful when you need to verify a file's location without the need to hunt through numerous folders. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to understand. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might also benefit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and handy tech tips. Until next time, thank you for watching and have a great day managing your files.